Hey guys, come with me. We have the Form 3L here at shop3d.ca, and we're only gonna have it for a couple of days, so I wanna do a very quick first look to the unit. First of all, that you'll notice is we got a big, heavy, awesome orange door here. It's actually spring-loaded because that was super easy for me to open. The next thing you're gonna notice is this massive build volume that we have here to print big prints, and I'm gonna take the build plate out for you. It's a nice solid chunk of metal. It is a nice big beefy build plate, and you can see that you can have lots of flexibility in terms of what you can print inside. So big prints, multi-part prints, or lots of different copies of prints are now available for you. The gantry is now very well reinforced. So you can see that when I slid that in, it's all metal. We got lots of metal construction all over the printer. There's actually two new features here as well. You're gonna get LEDs on the side to light up the print when you're printing. So if you have a darker room like this, you can still see your print as it prints. The next thing you'll notice is that the Form 3L resin tank is a lot bigger, so you're gonna be expected to fill it up with a lot more resin because we're gonna make some big prints out of this. So this resin tank can actually hold about 2 liters of resin, and on the side is where your resin goes. It no longer is put in the back compared to the Form 3 over there. There's 2 cartridges, so you can stagger them and hot swap them as needed. So right now we got 2 cartridges of Tough 1500. Underneath here is where the 2 LPU laser units are. So it's gonna work on the same technology as the Form 3 over here, but it has 5 times the build volume. And underneath here, there's 2 offset LPU units that's gonna cover the entire build range of the resin tank. We don't have the system on right now, but there is a touchscreen here as well. So it's gonna be very similar interface-wise to the Form 3 in the back. And you can see, just as a comparison between the 2 units, you're getting about 5 times the build volume, and the prints still come out stunning, with great surface quality. So that's a first look at the Form 3L at shop3d.ca.